It's easy to make a batch of these prehistoric critters with just some pipe cleaners and a few simple supplies. For this project, you'll need 9 pipe cleaners, a medium-sized marker, a pencil, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. We're going to start with the body of the dinosaur. Attach 3 pipe cleaners by twisting the ends together. Hold the end of the long pipe cleaner against the marker and begin wrapping it around in a loose coil. When you're done wrapping about halfway, so 1.5 pipe cleaners, start coiling back on top of the first coil going in the opposite direction. When you're finished with that coil, take another pipe cleaner and hold it right in the center. Coil it around the middle of this body section to make a thicker belly on the dinosaur. When you're finished, slide it off of the marker and set it aside. To make the head and neck of the dinosaur, twist 2 pipe cleaners together. Hold the end of this pipe cleaner against a pencil this time and begin wrapping the first pipe cleaner in a bundle. So one coil right on top of the other. This will make the head of the dinosaur. Then with the rest of the pipe cleaner, coil it down to form the neck. So instead of a bundle, you're going to do one coil just right next to the other one. At the very end, leave a little extra uncoiled to make a tail. To make the tail of the dinosaur, take 1 pipe cleaner and make a coil. Slide the coil off the pencil. You want to make a pointy end on the tail, so take the very last coil and twist it into a sharp point. Then coil about 3 of the coils smaller than the rest so you have a nice pointy end. The last 2 pieces are the front and back feet of the dinosaur. So take a pipe cleaner and start coiling it around a pencil until you're almost halfway. Then slide that off the pencil and do the other side almost halfway as well. Slide it off the pencil and make a bend in the middle. Do this with the other pipe cleaner. Now that you've got all of the pieces of your dinosaur, we're going to put him together. First, slide the head and neck into the body. Slide the tail into the first coil of the body and wrap it around once to hold it in place. Then tuck the end inside the body coil. To attach the tail to the body, find the first coil of the tail, the last coil of the body, and twist those 2 together once or twice to hold them in place, and tuck that into the body section. To put on the feet, separate a coil toward the front of the dinosaur and insert the V in between those coils to make the front feet. Then for the back feet, separate a coil towards the back of the dinosaur, insert the V. The very last step is to glue on the eyes. Use a thick white craft glue and stick the eyes on. It's okay if you have extra glue, it will dry clear. Once you finish your dinosaur, you can bend the tail and the head for different poses, and you'll want to arrange the legs so that it can stand freely on its own.